Welcome to the CAD school. This is Prashant Pawar. This is the drawing that we are going to draft today. In this drawing there are circles of diameter 80, radius 20, and again at the bottom radius 20. So first we will be locating the center points by drawing the lines, and then construct the arcs by TTR and these two parallel lines by using offset. So first to start with, we will be drawing a rectangle of A4 size, that is 0, and 210, 297. Go to draw a construction line, select a point, draw a vertical line and horizontal line. These lines are the references. So go to modify offset, 57 is the distance, and then the second distance is 90. So here we have got the center points of the circle. So circle, the center radius, intersection, that is 20. Copy the circle from intersection to intersection. I can draw a circle of diameter 80. Then go to draw, select circle, TTR by selecting tangent radius to draw the circle of radius 90. Then again repeat tangent radius, tangent to this circle and this circle, radius 26. Now we will be removing this portion and this portion of the circle by using trim. Select this and this circle, then this and this circle, remove this portion and this portion and this portion of the circle. Then to draw parallel lines we will be using offset. Center to quadrant of the circle. Then to remove this portion of the lines I will be using fillet, radius 0 multiple times. Select this circle and line, and circle. Now remove this portion of the circle by selecting these arcs as cutting edges and these lines to remove this portion of the circle. Enter. Go to draw, select circle, center diameter, diameter is 20. Copy the circle, base point is the intersection of lines, destination point is again intersection of lines. Again circle, diameter 40. Now to convert these lines into center, go to modify match property, select this line and this line. So these are the center lines. Select trim, then fillet, radius 20. So this is how we have drafted the drawing. Keep watching and keep practicing. Thank you.